Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off FaceTime announce incoming calls with demonstration on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. Next, tap on Announce Calls. By default, it is set to Never Announce. You can choose Always or Announce only when you connect it to headphones in your car system or headphones only. So let's say I'm going to select Always now. So when I receive an incoming call, a FaceTime incoming call, it should announce the call.
David or FaceTime call.
So there it is, it announced the incoming call, and when we select Never, you can see this time I will receive the call but it will not announce. And that's it. So that is how you can have your FaceTime incoming call announcement. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.